In this video, we're going to look at regions represented on an Argand diagram. So we're going to, if we've got Z at the moment is 2 plus 1i, let's make it something a bit more better than that. Let's make it 3 plus 2. Okay, so that'll make that complex number over there. Okay, if I wanted to see the region represented by Z minus 3 plus 2i is less than 6, because I was at 6 at the moment, then that would be the red shaded region here. Okay, if we were not going to include the point, then the circle would have to be on a dashed line, like the normal convention for inequalities. And if we wanted to do greater than, then that would be, we'll shade outside the area. Okay, and similarly, if we're not going to include the point, then the circle itself would have to be a dashed line. Okay, we can change the value of R. Okay, you can change the value of A. And all these things here will change. You can check them all now. Let's just undo that and go through them all again. So over there, okay, over there, over there. Okay, we could make B like negative. Let's get A being a nice point if we can. Okay, similar idea over there, like that one. This one will be this one, and this one will be that one. Outside, and this of course will be outside. Okay, I hope you have understood. The GeoGebra app will be put, the link for the GeoGebra app will be put in the links of the video, and for you to have a play for yourself. And I thank you very much for watching.